I think the Kennedy half dollar is the Swiss Army knife of the US Mint. With 56 uninterrupted years of minting and an amazing 15 variations. Let's review the Kennedy half dollar minting history. It began in 1964 as a 90% planchet. In 1965, the planchet changed to a 40% silver special mint set SMS. It was not quite proof quality, but noticeably improved over a typical business strike. That SMS design was minted between 65 and 67. In 1968, it switched to 40% silver proof and a 40% business strike. That continued until 1970, when all silver planchets were removed and everything became clad in 1971, except for in 1976 for the bicentennial, 40% returned briefly. The next milestone came in 1992 when the San Francisco Mint began a production of the 90% silver proofs. And then in 1998, there was a special commemorative matte proof just for 1998, also from the San Francisco Mint. And in 2001, unfortunately, for those who love Kennedy coins, the US Mint decided to end general circulation and only had a volume of, let's say, 2.5 million circulated and proof total of 5 million instead of their normal, 25 million, 20 to 25 million runs. So they were basically at that point just creating coins for the collector market. In 2014, for the 50th anniversary, all four mints produced a special Kennedy: Philadelphia, Denver, San Francisco, and West Point. 2 beautiful proofs and 2 uncirculated business strikes. We'll take a closer look at them shortly. In 2018, a reverse proof clad began production, and in 2019, the 99.9% proofs began production. And just for 2019, the Apollo 11 50th anniversary enhanced reverse proof was minted. Another beautiful Kennedy that we'll take a look at here shortly. Okay, now we can take a closer look at 14 of the 15 variations that we've just gone through. The only coin I don't have to show you firsthand is the 2018 production run, or production inception, of the reverse proof clad. All the other 14 variations we'll take a look at